Hey, what's up guys? This is Nathan with Zyria Roleplay, coming at you guys again with another devlog video. And in this episode, we're going to be showing you guys the time system and chat system we have here developed at Zyria. And here I have my friend Topaz, and he's going to be showing you guys how the time works.
Alright, so if you guys want to know the time of the world itself, you just type /time, and it will give you the accurate time that is fully synchronized with the world itself, which is saying currently it's 5:19 p.m., which is evening right now. And as you can see, the sun is kind of setting down.
Correct. And if you're also wondering what the date is currently in Zyria, you can also type in /date, and it'll print out a message, and it'll say it's a Vernal's day of January 2nd of the first year of Zyria. And what Vernal is actually one of these seasons we have here at Zyria, and we'll get more into that with a lore post on our forums. So what we're going to show you guys next is actually how the chat system works. So whenever you're in Zyria roleplay and you're trying to figure out where to talk and how to use the chat, the first thing you're going to want to get into is a channel. So if you type /channel, it'll show you the different chat channels that we have here. So roleplay channel is by default the one that you're going to always be in no matter what, and you can't leave this channel. And what we have here is a local OOC, which is the equivalent of roleplay but out of character. We also have a whisper channel as well as a whisper OOC, and that's going to be a reduced range, so only nearby players can hear what you're saying. We also have a quiet channel with a quiet OOC, and that's going to be a larger range. And we also have a shout channel and a shout OOC, which is actually larger than the roleplay channel radius as well. We also have two other channels here called the global OOC and help. Global is going to be where you generally talk to the entire server and where people are going to, crack jokes, talk to each other, have discussions. And we also have the help channel here, which if I were to click the help channel, I can say, hey, I have a question, and a staff member will be able to help you out with whatever question you have. So
Or
Topaz,
any member, not just staff member.
correct, yeah. Just want to let you know that staff are stuck in this channel, so they will be able to see your message. But Topaz, if you want to go ahead and show them the commands.
Alright, so there's a faster equivalent of, if you already know all the channels, you can just type in /join, and they will tell you what channel you want to join, and then you can type in the channel name. For example, I want to join help, so I'll just type help, which I'm already on this channel. So now I can actually respond to any questions like this. And also you can also go to OOC and type in any message here, and you can see that the message has been sent to the OOC channel, but you're actually not on that channel. You're still active on the help channel. And if you want to switch to the OOC channel, instead of typing /join, you can easily hover over the channels and just click on it. You can also hover over the name to see the player's character, and also click on their name to go to private message. So if I do click on King Yanther's name, and then I can say hey, and then that will go to the private channel or private message. Or you can also, if you don't like to see the OOC message, you can just /leave OOC, and you left the OOC channel.
Correct. Now, the last thing we want to show you guys is the chat settings. So if I were to go ahead and type /settings, it'll pop up the general Zyria settings here that I can modify. For now, we only have chat. So if you were to click on the chat button, it'll pop up the different settings here that you can modify. So the first three you're going to see here are auto quotes, quote style, and emoticon color. So what auto quotes does for me is if I disable it, then anything I type in the chat will not get put into quotes, and it'll just be as a regular emote message. If I turn that on, now anything I type will, /RP, there you go, hey. So now anything will be put into a quote, and the system does it all and handles it all for you. Another thing I could change here is the quote style, and that will be what enables and disables the emoticon color, and what also enables the quote white color. So I like keeping those settings on, and by default they will be on, as that's what makes the chat look a lot nicer, but everyone has their own preference. So what I can also modify here is my emote color. So whenever I type in an emote, which should generally be an action that my character is doing, whatever color you have set here is going to be what the message prints out as. So my favorite color is gold, so I'm going to keep it there. What we also have on the right side as well are continuity key, bold keys, and italic keys. So continuity, what that allows you to do is continue typing a longer message through different chat messages, and it'll combine all the messages together as one longer essay or paragraph. So I can click on that and cycle through what I want my continuity key to be. I like the dash. As far as bolding letters and bolding words, I can also cycle through the different keys we have here, and then same thing for italicize. Anyways, guys, so that was the time and the chat system, and we'll be able to have that tomorrow for you guys, and you guys can test that out at beta.zyriarp.com. And we're gonna go ahead and combine a lot of our systems tomorrow, so everybody will be able to, play around with those settings.
Yeah,
Anyways,
make sure
man.
to leave your feedback on the forums as well. So, and we kind of do read every feedback from the forums. If you have more suggestion, if you see we are missing something from the video we just showed, then you can always send that to the feedback on the forum.
Of course, yep. We'll be reading those suggestions, reading those feedbacks, and we do appreciate the people that have been sending us some of those. But anyways, man, this is Nathan signing off.
All right, goodbye, guys, and have fun.